Welcome to Mr. Sou's Math World. Today, we will go through example 6.11 about the exponential functions. So, let's do it one by one. As we have already gone through similar type of question before, so the focus is to how to let the u in different sorts of cases. And then for the calculation, so I will keep it short. Okay, so for the first one, probably we will try to u to be the power, right? And for the b, we will let the u to be the lower part. And then you need to guess whether after you differentiate the red part, if you can see whether it is equals to something related to this one. This one we will basically have very positive. And lastly, when you check this one, you see this is x squared. But then the power is x cubed. So remember when we differentiate for x cubed, you will get 3x squared, right? So it is related. So you can always do some rough work as this is practice for yourself. That you can have the type of the notes taking so that you can do it fast. So let's start from A. So you let u and then differentiate. You get negative 6 dx. So for this one, after we substitute, so you get e to the power u, and then dx will becomes du divided by negative 6. So what's next will be negative 6 becomes negative 1/6 here. So this step is optional, but it is a good practice to write. So finally, integrate, you will get e to the power u for this part. And don't forget to substitute the value of u to be 1 minus 6x and then plus c. So this is the first one. So for b, you let u, so differentiate and you get this thing. So substitute it inside. So please check carefully. So this is 2x dx, e to the power 2x dx. And when you substitute this one, so it will becomes du divided by negative 2. Equal. Then this is, remember, substitute all the things in one time. So this is 1/u. And you will get negative 1/2 du divided by u. Then you get log. And substitute 3 minus e to the power 2x plus c. So you see that when you use this rough work, it is very efficient and you can solve it very quickly. So let's see for part C. For part C, so we let the u again. Remember, we're going to let it to be x to the power 3. Differentiate, you get this guy, and then we are going to integrate. So integrate, that means you can do substitution, then we get 1/3 and then e to the power u du. And integrate, you get 1/3 e to the power u plus c, and 1/3, put it back to be e to the power x cubed plus c. So this is the answer. But of course you have a question. Right now, I've shown a demonstration of using u to x cubed as a substitution to do the integration. But you may wonder, Mr. So, how about if I let phi, so this time I use another color because I already used u, then we use variable phi. Can we do so? Or b equals to e to the x to the power 3. So, which one is a good choice? Or none of them is good? Please try it at home. So you may also try different sorts of things to substitute also for part A or part B if you have spare time. It is a good way to think of how to make a good choice. When you want to make good choice, that means we need to have experience. Experience means practice makes perfect. So okay, you can always try for it. So please try these 4 questions as classwork. So for example 6.11, please try to use this method to see whether it works. And also question 1, 3, and 4. That's the end of Mr. So's Math World. See you next time!